Today, I'll walk you through some of the features you'll have access to as a client. There are 4 main tabs. The first tab is our Today page here. This is where you'll be able to see everything you need to do today. As you can see, we made the Today page simple and easy to use, so you know exactly what you've been assigned to do for this specific day. The next tab is our Coaching tab, where you can view past and future tasks and workouts so you can plan your week accordingly. And lastly, the You page, where all your data is housed and can be viewed visually. To start your first workout, simply click Start Workout, and you'll be taken to the overview of the workout page. Here you can preview the workout before starting. Once you select the workout again, you'll be taken to the first exercise. If you don't recognize the exercise, click the exercise name to display instructions that can include photos and video. Once the exercise is completed, click the check mark next to the set completed and the rest timer will appear. If you need to leave the app during your rest, the time will continue to run in the background and ping you when it's time to start the next exercise. Check off completed exercises and swipe to move to the next set. You can check previous exercise history, and you can select alternative exercise designated by your trainer. Another feature we've included in this app is a stopwatch and timer feature. Once the workout is completed, swipe to the final page and slide to end the workout. You can log additional metrics through our task functionality and track a variety of data. Here, your trainer has added 3 tasks. Simply click into each task to fill in the information and check the task completed. Once the task is completed, you can view your data in the You tab. You'll be able to receive and view video, links, and PDF files through tasks your trainer has assigned. Our food journal is like a private food Instagram for you to upload pictures of meals to like and comment on. On the Coaching page, you'll be able to prepare for your week as you can view past and future workouts and tasks. Click on the training calendar to see a detailed training schedule assigned by your trainer. Tap on any specific workout so you can see a list of the exercises included in the program. Within the training calendar, you have an option to rearrange your workouts to different days so you can tailor the training to your schedule. The You page is the central hub of all of your data. On this page, you can see a summary of your training progress, including the total time you spent working out, different body metrics, details of the exercises you have done, and progress photos. Tap on View More in the metrics to log a variety of body metrics such as weight, BMI, body fat, macros, and more. Access your progress photos from this page and add more to the library as you continue to track your fitness journey. Click on the Profile button in the top right corner to go into the profile settings. From here, you can change your basic personal information. If you want to change your password or notification settings, you can do so on this page here. You have the ability to sync data between EverFit and the Health app with our integration feature. We have also made it super easy for you to contact us and ask any questions with this shortcut function in your profile settings. We hope you found this brief video of our app helpful. Feel free to contact us for any additional questions or information.